Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Jasmy video update today. And there we go, there we go. Okay, there we go. You have failed. And if you watched yesterday's video and you try to took a trade, then you guys are already 11% in a winning situation at the moment, because I told you that the retest is happening for Jasmy. And as far as I'm concerned, is that if you try to come above and take this high right here, that's where you have passed the retest and you're good to go to the upside. But unfortunately, retest failed and you have been kicked all the way to the downside. Now I'm just going to keep it very simple, and the simplicity of this update is the following: that Jasmy unfortunately has a target down here, number one, and a target right down there, number two. So we're looking for a drop all the way down to 2400. Basically, that is officially in play. The play button has already been pressed. There was a time you held the support, you try to hold the support, and you finally lost it. Eventually you've lost it, it's gone, and now you have a double top, you have a bear flag that is in play. So the bear flag takes you down here, the double top takes you all the way down to this technical target. And if I go back into the weekly time frame, you do have a bearish rectangle, which is this right over here, and that takes you all the way down to this target right there. So after all, we still never quite made it yet again, and it seems like 2023 is going to be somewhat a little bit painful, and I expect that. I've been saying this in many videos since last year, that I don't expect 2023 to be any interesting. I expect 2023 to be really boring. The people who are listening to me right now, amazing, thank you so much. If you're new, get to follow this channel. You might not see me again, you might not see my videos again, so I want you to be a regular guest. And the thing is that I've said this before, 2023 people are going to lose hope, and that's just the best psychology for people to buy who are smart. Dumb money, and this is not a dumb money channel. I'm trying to teach you the smart money way, which eventually, after some many time, maybe after a couple of months, you're going to understand the talk that I just had in this video. And if you're listening right now, think about it. When you have a lot of people willing to buy things here, why are people not willing to buy here, which is the smart decision? And in my opinion, let's say Jasmy does go down, okay? I do have this question that, if it does go down, recovery and this and that. Now, I don't know anything about the future. I could be totally wrong, but let's actually try to put in some guesses in here. What if you do actually come down to this technical target in the future? So what? When you zoom out, it's almost like this is still a bottom for you. It doesn't matter if it's 4,000 or 2,500 or even 1,500. That would be sounding like a bottom. Imagine if Jasmy one day decides to go back to the all-time high, the market recover, the bull run comes in when everyone has sold their money, the weekend have been checking out, and you told them that I bought Jasmy at 20,000 and we're sitting at 4,000. They're going to say that you are a genius. But if you tell anybody right now that I bought Jasmy at 7,000 and it's trading at 4,000, you're going to feel bad, because you are looking at the bad time frame. That's not the proper time frame. And if you zoom in into that time frame, yeah, probably it's actually bad that it's from 7,000 to 4,000, so that's a very big loss. But when you zoom out, I actually feel really confident about a lot of coins, not just Jasmy, but so many coins out there. And that's it for this update. If you want to learn trading, hit me up on Twitter. I am available for these days to teach someone one-on-one, maybe in Zoom. You can talk to me, can have some dealings about it, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Hafiz.